In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Yahoo password. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar at the top, type yahoo.com and press enter. When the Yahoo homepage loads, look toward the upper right corner and find the sign in option. Click sign in to begin. You'll be taken to the login page. Follow the on-screen prompts to sign into your account. Enter your Yahoo ID and your current password and complete any verification steps you're asked for, such as a code sent to a trusted device. After you submit your details, wait a moment while Yahoo signs you in. You'll know you're in when you see your profile avatar or initial in the top right corner. Once you're signed in, click your profile image or initial at the top right. In the menu that appears, choose Manage Your Account. This opens your account overview in a new page. In the account area, select the security section. If you're on a phone or a smaller screen, this might be in a sidebar or a tab. Just make sure you're on the security page. Scroll down until you see the password area. This is where you'll make the change. Click Password to start the update process. You'll land on the Change Password screen. Here, type your new password. Choose something strong and unique. Use a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess or reuse from other sites. Then, in the confirmation field, double-check the password by typing it again exactly the same way. If you want to be sure there are no typos, click the eye icon with a line through it on the right side of the password field to temporarily reveal what you've typed. Toggle it off again when you're done, especially if you're in a public place. When you're confident everything looks correct, click Continue to finish changing your password. If you see a confirmation screen, click Continue again to wrap up. Yahoo may sign you out of other devices for security, which is normal. If your browser or a password manager had your old password saved, update it now so you don't run into sign-in issues later. That's it. Your Yahoo password has been changed. If you ever forget it, use Yahoo's account recovery options. And as a general tip, consider reviewing your security settings while you're here to keep your account protected. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you need to follow along step by step.